It's done. Hi guys, how are you today? Cebuana Ako is here again and I'm going to cook fried rice, Japanese fried rice. I will show you why Japanese fried rice is so yummy, kung paano nila ginawa. Ito ang sikreto at technique. The secret is, I have a secret ingredients here. I will tell you. And first, we need rice. Yan. And then, also we need an egg. 4 pieces of eggs. Sa ganun karaming rice, we'll need this 4 pieces of eggs. And then, nagay nigi here. Nagay nigi and the scallions. And also, we need also a kamaboko. Optional, if you want, there's no kamaboko in your fried rice, you have to take out this if you don't like lang. And then, we have here, what you call this? Chashu in Japan. This is chashu. And of course, we need black pepper and salt and oyster sauce. Black pepper, salt, and oyster sauce. And also, we need this pampalasa na shumi shantan. And then, I will show you kung paano magiging pari-pari yung chahang yung fried rice ng Japanese. This is the secret. We have to put 2 pieces of eggs here. Okay guys, see that? We have to crack the egg and put it here. And mix it with a little bit of salt. Ouch. Little bit of salt, and then you have to mix this. You know why? This is the secret of Japanese hacks. Hacks natin to on how their fried rice is they called in Japan para-para-chahan. Magiging hiwalay-hiwalay yung rice. Mag-ano siya. Maghihiwalay-hiwalay. Water, you have to put the fresh egg in our rice and mix it. Kasi in Philippines we're putting water, but in Japan they're doing this like this. You have to mix the fresh egg and the rice and put a little bit of salt and keep on mixing our rice. So let's mix our egg. Let's scramble our egg. Here, let's scramble our eggs. Just do like that. So here na guys, nabit na natin ang ating eggs. Scramble na natin. So we have to heat our pan here, and let's add the long nagay nigi. Here in Japan, this is nagay nigi. We call this one is long onion nagay nigi, and let's saute this nagay nigi. Saute it. Just like that. Saute it. And when the aroma is coming out, the smell is good. Really good na. And we have to add our 2 pieces of eggs. And then just do like that. Just mix it. Mixing. See that? And then after that one, let's add our rice. Our mixed egg rice. Okay, and just do like that. It smells so good. And let's add a little bit of salt. According to your taste, you can add salt and ground black pepper. The ground black pepper and mix it. Just mix. The aroma is really good. That and let's add the shomi-shantan, yung pampalasa natin na shomi-shantan. Just add like that and keep on mixing. And next, let's add our chashu, the barbecue pork. Here, this one. Let's put our chashu and mix. Just mix it. Mix it. Smell is really good. And then let's add the kamaboko. Optional. If you don't like kamaboko, you can add also a sausage. Optional if you like sausage, and then you can add sausage. And now, since it's half done, you have to put the oyster sauce. The 1 cup cooking oyster sauce. 1 cup cooking glass of oyster sauce. Really good in smell. Smells really good. Really good in smell. Look at that, guys. It's already ready. Almost done. We have to add our scallions. The last, put our scallions. And fix it. And it's done. Let's turn off the heat. It's done. And let's play. It's done.